Moving away can feel like a huge change. Saying goodbye to the people you're used to seeing every day can leave you feeling homesick or isolated. The good news? There are practical steps you can take that make it easier to settle into your new place while keeping your connections strong. First off, get involved in your new town. Before you even move, take some time to research local groups or activities, volunteering, sports teams, a book club, whatever you enjoy. Once you're there, jump in. Being active helps you meet new people, build routines, and shift the focus away from missing home. Next, surround yourself with photos and keepsakes of the people you love. Display them in your new space, maybe your desk at work or a shelf in your room. That visual connection makes distance feel less distant and reminds you that your relationships aren't gone, they're just changing. Then, understand it's not the end of your relationships. Just because you move away doesn't mean you stop being part of each other's lives. In fact, staying close is about making an effort. Plan a trip home or invite your family to visit you. Set a schedule for calls, texts, or video chats, and use social media to share what you're up to and see what they're doing. These actions bridge the gap. Finally, make time for communication. You may get super busy with your new job, school, or life in a new place. Don't let that stop you from reaching out. Block off specific days or times when you'll connect with family or friends. Regular interaction helps you feel connected and supports your emotional well-being in your new environment. Moving to a new place isn't just about managing boxes and logistics, it's also about managing feelings and relationships. By taking these steps, you'll not only adjust more smoothly, but maybe even discover a stronger version of yourself thanks to this change. If you'd like more help, expert tips, or free moving quotes, visit movers.com. You can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243. We're here to connect you with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.